Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will turn back to discussion of the Great British Pound since market has completed our first destination point. Recall that when we had talks on the Great British Pound 2 days ago, we said that some reaction should come on this support area. So this was the neckline. This market completed this ABCD target of this large head and shoulders pattern. It has turned to retracement down based on the analysis that we have prepared since market was overbought. Daily on the weekly chart here has formed the reversal swings. We said yes, market probably will show the retracement down, and the first destination point was this strong support area on the daily chart. This is confidence support, including the monthly pivot point and neckline, and we said that some reaction to the upside should happen, and probably this reaction will become the part of our larger ABCD retracement down. Currently, this assumption is still valid, at least until market stands here. Currently we are coming to the next stage as reaction has happened on this strong support area. It was a bit surprisingly, since I previously expected that the upward direction will be a bit more gradual, but surprisingly the results of the public poll in the United Kingdom was released that has shown that more than the 70% of the population stands against the Brexit. So they would like to stay in the European Union, and that has led to this upward action on the Great British Pound. So market has played back former drop based on the Brexit expectations. So that was a result of the poll publishing. So now we turn to our second part of our analysis. Here we will start to watch for patterns. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, you see that market also could take the shape of the butterfly because this thrust up was really fast, and I will not exclude the market probably could continue slightly higher, but currently the major question is what will happen in the current level, because I will show you again this picture that we have discussed 2 days ago. We said that market probably will form the head and shoulders. Right as we have prepared our analysis, market has dropped, and take a look. This was very harmonic drop right to the level that we have specified, 144 support, weekly pivot point, and the approximate bottom of the left shoulder. So the left shoulder has completed. That was release of the public opinion here on the Brexit question. And you can see this very fast acceleration. The market has reached precisely the level that we have specified, 146 agreement. So that is completion of the A, B, C bottom D pattern based on the head and shoulders and fib level. This creates an agreement resistance. Now market stands in the consolidation. Usually, guys, when the market shows that sort of the thrust, very fast action, it significantly increases chances that it will continue move higher. Next destination point stands approximately 147, 147.10. It's 1618 extension of this butterfly, and it will be approximately equals the distance between the neckline and the bottom of the head counted to the upside. I very often shows you this. Just take a look. Here they are equal. ABCD 1618 target and classical approach to estimation of the ultimate target of the head and shoulders. But we should take into consideration that recently the dollar has got the support from the Fed minutes have been published that gives clearer hints on the possible rate hiking in June. So at least the probability has increased based on the information that has been published yesterday. Also recently, United States has published supportive data for rate hiking, and that was the same psychological massive attack in the mass media from the Fed representatives who said and give the hints that probably Fed should think seriously about rate hiking and so on and blah blah blah. So that has led to the significant acceleration of the United States dollar recently, especially against the Japanese yen. And we should take in consideration the two moments. First of all, that this was just a release of the news, and second, the dollar right now stands on the upward. Let's say that dollar stands on a positive note. So that's why it will be a bit more difficult for Great British Pound to continue move higher. Besides, don't forget that this downward action has started from the weekly overbought, and reversal sessions has been formed as on the weekly as on the daily chart. That's why we're mostly expected some compounding retracement. This leads us to conclusion that here, guys, we still need to watch for possible reversal patterns, because although upward action could happen further, maybe market will form something else here. Maybe market will form here the butterfly and will continue slightly higher. For example, here butterfly will be formed. But anyway, we should keep an eye here on the possible reversal patterns. So if market will form the butterfly, that probably will be the signal that downward leg could start. This ABCD retracement could start. So we should be extra careful. That's what we'll be watching for in the nearest future on the Great British Pound. So because market maybe already has played back this previous depression based on the Brexit voting, and this was really significant action. So our position is that yes, market could move slightly higher, maybe 100 pips more, but hardly it will turn to the significant upward trend right now. So that's why here some extended reversal pattern could be formed. For example, this could be the free drive, maybe it will be the butterfly, maybe even the minor hand shoulders will be formed here. Currently market stands at significant resistance 146. Maybe even here market will form something. We do not know. But currently we should be extra careful for possible bearish signals in this area. Mostly because we expect a downward continuation here, some kind of the ABCD pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart, on the daily chart. That's our current view on the Great British Pound.